What's up, guys? I wanted to do a little video on how to do the LS Trunion kit upgrade on a set of stock LS3 rockers. I already got 8, 9, 10, 11 done. I got 5 more to go, but decided to bust out my GoPro and give this a try to see if it might help somebody, might not. It's been covered 1,000 times, but I just want to show you, you don't need the fancy Trunion install kit to get this done. Need some simple hand tools, a little bench vise, 13/16 socket, 14mm socket, don't need that, and then 2 5/8 washers for the install side of it, and then I use a little bucket of oil just to throw the bushings in before I install them, just to make life a little easier and a little bit of insurance. As you can see, this is why we're doing it. These are just stock, thin, stamped steel. That one's a still full one. There's one around here somewhere. Here you go. So the car we're putting this in, 68 Camaro, LS3, 6-speed, Holley front mount kit, the mid mount kit, Hooker 1 7/8 long tube stainless headers, LMP custom cam, spec'd by Alec. The car should make probably like right around 500 to the wheels, maybe a little over. This car's getting a full restoration, basically. So we're just trying to cover all of our bases on insurance, basically. So we did a better oiling system, this, bigger push rods, valve springs. Just want to make sure the car is fun, it's going to live, be able to take the beating. So I just want to give you guys a quick rundown on how to do this. So hang tight and I'll give you a show. Alright, so this is where we're going to start. Here's one of the one of the rockers. You'll notice one side has the flat side, the other side doesn't. So take the 13/16 socket, set it up against the flat side, open up the vise big enough, and then just make sure it sits on the flats there and it's not touching the bearing. And then take your 14mm or whatever socket you find that will press through the inside diameter there. So then you just line it up here like so, and then just get it snug, make sure everything's nice and flush, no interferences, and all you'll do, just slowly press. Doesn't take a lot of pressure. Might look like it just because this is a small little 6-inch vise, and boom, pops right out. And just set that socket down, set that socket down. There's 2/3 of it, there's the other third. So assembly, same thing, just in reverse basically. Like I said, I pre-oiled my bushings. Just get it in there. Just same thing. Just nice and slow. You don't need to hawk it. Just get it nice and flush. Open it back up a little bit. And then you'll take the main piece, slide it in like so. And then the next bronze bushing, just slide it over the end there, make sure it's squared up, and then the 5/8 washer comes in handy right here. Just set it there, and you can see how it fits perfect right through there. So all you're going to do, just draw it up, and then you're not going to be able to clamp it all the way. draw it in a little bit until you feel it stop and back it off. Then you'll need that second 5/8 washer. And then same thing. And just nice and easy. And you'll feel it. Boom. Done. And then all you need to do after that includes 2 snap rings, just one on each end, and you're good to go.